All right, guys. So welcome to the start of this tutorial. I don't know if this video is going to be long enough to be a playlist or whatever, but let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay. So we need. Okay. Obviously, you know what to do. Um, First of all, create a virtual ENV and work from there, right? I'm sure you guys will be familiar with my processes already. So I'll come over here. I'll do CMD and let me just drag it to the screen so you guys can see what I'm doing. And then we'll just do virtual env and we're going to call this leave underscore env, right? So this is going to take some minutes or seconds to create. As you can see, it's already creating here. So just wait for this to finish. Okay, cool. So it's done. So cd into leave underscore env, and then we're going to activate this. All right. So clear things up. So when I install Django, so pip install Django. Okay, this is going to take like seconds to install. I think my internet is somehow stable. We thank God. But let's see though. Let us see. Oh, you guys. I don't know. I get home from work around 11 p.m. So if you look at my time near now, it's already 12 a.m. That's because I love you guys so much to be creating videos on YouTube for you people. But that's fine though. That's fine. I mean, it's part of the hustle. Okay. All right, cool. So let's do so let's you know what, let's just also do pip install Django reject tweaks, right? And this is going to be very fast. Yes. So just CLS out of this, and then we'll just we can check for the version of Django we have, right? That makes sense. Okay. All right. So we can just do Django admin start projects. Let's call this obviously. You know what I'm gonna call it, Django project. All right, and we can cd into Django projects. And then you guys know that I love I love creating an app called users, right? Just to manage all users configurations. But I think I'm going to prefer the word accounts to users. So we're going to be doing py manage the py startup so accounts, right? And then next one is going to be leave. Okay, cool. So make directory, and we know what to call this templates. And to open up everything in VS Code, boom, it's already opened up on my other screen. Let me just drag it here for you guys to see. Okay, so obviously you guys know the drill. Come over to settings.py in your Django projects, and then we're going to import OS. Come over to installed apps. So we have accounts, and we have leave, and we have widget underscore tweaks. Then come over to directories for templates, path.join. So with this directory, and then we call this, no, not in capital letter, we call this templates, right? Okay, so we're done here, and let's come over to accounts, come over to views.py. So let's see what we're going to be doing. So first thing we're going to be doing is, no, so we're not going to be registering users from the front end. Since this, let's say it belongs to a company, and obviously we want the company to be able to create their own users from the back end. I think that makes sense. So we're going to do login users. All right, so come over here and then we'll do logout users. After that, we're going to do change info, or not change info. Let's say update info, and then we're also going to do update info. We're going to do let's see. My head is just up and down. Let's see update info. Or what are we? So let's do password. Let's do change password. All right. So change password is like in app. All right. And then let's now do another one called account block. So we're going to be creating these views, right? Okay, so you know what to do here. Let's do redirect from Django.contrib. Let's import messages from Django.contrib.auth. Um, let's import authenticate. Let's import login. Let's import logout. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Okay, I think we are kind of done with this. And as we proceed, though, we're going to be importing some other things anyway. So, login users, you know what to do here. So we'll just say login underscore user. All right, so we're taking requests. So we want to get username, requests dot posts get, and then we'll call this username. All right, so password is request dot posts dot get password, right? So we're gonna say user is request authenticate request, and we're gonna say username is username, all right, and then password is password, right? Cool. So if sorry, hold on. Yeah, so if user is not known, all right. So if user dot is underscore active, all right, we want to do login requests user. Okay, so we say messages dot success requests. So we'll just take them. Sorry, we just say um you are logged in as, let's just say user. Nope, let's say user, right? Okay, so we're going to redirect them to home. Okay, and else we want to return redirect and then account block, although we haven't created this yet, but we're going to create it very soon. I think everything looks good. So else, so energy, blah, blah, blah. Let me see, return direct home, else, return direct home. Okay, cool. So else for here, we're going to say return render requests. So we have accounts and then we have login.html. Okay, cool. So for logout users, right, easy. So we'll just define the function and we'll say logout user, clicking requests. Okay, and then we'll just say logout requests messages dot success request. Yeah, hold on. So I think we didn't do something here. So if user, hold on, if user is not known, hold on, hold on, hold on. I made a big mistake here. If requests the method, oh, that was just, well, there's something is very wrong here. Is post. So if it's equal to post, so we need to put everything here, right? So if is not known, okay, so just hold on. So we just have to do return render requests. So accounts login.html. Okay, so this one is if user is not known. So we're just gonna say so we say messages, the warning requests. So we just say something went wrong. Please check form inputs and then return redirects to login. Yes, more like it. Okay, so logout users and then your active session has ended. Please log in to continue. Continue, right? Okay, so we're just going to do return redirects and then want to take them to login. So update info. So how do you update your info? Very easy actually. So we need to create a form. Let's come over to here, and I'm just going to create a form called from the py, and then we're just going to do from Django. Let's import forms. All right, and we're going to do class updates. Let's say update profile form. Okay, and then we're going to call this form.model form. All right. Sorry. So we'll just do pass. Come over here. Here from Django dot contrib dot auth import get underscore user model. So let's do this. Okay, so get user model. Come over here, and then we're just gonna say class meta user. Sorry, model rather is user, and then fields. So what can they update? So we have obviously first name, surname, right? What else can they update again? So let's say first name, surname. Then if we have other, you know, other fields, let's say we have like a custom model, we can add it here, but we don't have any custom model. So let's just do username and surname. Okay. So we're just gonna do the user profile. So from form imports of the user profile form. So convert to update profile, and then we'll just say dev update underscore profile. Okay, so we're taking requests. All right, and then we're just gonna say if requests dot method equals posts, form is going to be update profile form request of posts. Instance is going to be request dot user. So if form dot is valid, so form dot save messages dot success taking request actually profile is now updated. Return redirects back to home. Okay. Else messages dot warning. We're taking request. We can just say something went wrong, and then return. Oh no, not render. Redirect, and then let's call it update profile. Right. Messages success. Update profile. Else, let's do form is update profile form. So instance is going to be request dot user, and we have our context obviously. Sorry. So form, and then return render requests counts update profile dot html, and then passing context. Okay, so now we have this here. We can now do change password. All right. So for change password, we're going to have to. Okay, let's just start. We'll import as we proceed. So we'll just do change password. So I have requests. Okay, so we'll say if request dot method equals post. So form is equals. So we have to come over here. Let's just do here, and I'm just going to say from Django dot contrib dot auth dot forms import password change form, right? So come over here, and then I'm just going to say password change form request the user request that posts. All right. So say if form dot is valid. Okay. So we're going to say user is going to be form.save. Okay, and then we need to also get something from here called update session. So now this is for when the user changes their password, they won't be logged out, right? Because normally when you change your password, obviously your session will expire and then you have to like log in again. But this one will still stay signed in or logged in. Okay, and then we're just going to do requests. Sorry, let me do request user, right? So messages dot success. Password has been changed. All right, so we do return redirect. Let's do home. Else messages dot warning to taking requests, and then we'll just say something went wrong. Please check password. Okay, so return redirect, and then we'll just call this change password. Else form password change from actually have requests dot user return render requests accounts dot html. I don't have a context yet, so we're just going to do context form. All right, come over here, and then do context. So come over to account block. So say def account block requests return render requests accounts account block .html. All right. I think everything looks good to this point. If you have any issues, definitely we're going to rectify as we move on. So we're going to come over here and create the URL file. So from Django dot import path. From this import views parents. Okay, so path. The first one is going to be login. Okay, so views dot login user login, right? So path we have logout use dot logout user logout path logout user, so update profile, yeah. Okay, so we'll do update profile. So updates profile, so we'll do update profile. Path. What else do we have here? Let's see update profile. Password change, right? Let's see. So it's called this change password. So change password. Okay. So change password. Change password. So my doing? So over here and say change password, right? Then last one is account block. Account block. Account block. Okay, cool. So I think this is done. So then what? Let me just finish up with the signing in and signing out. So that's what I just did as we are done with that. So that probably the next video we can just look at how to do the leave functionality. So let's just do users. I think we've taken some time already, 20 minutes. Okay, let's say before 30 minutes I should be done with this whole accounts thingy. So come over to Django projects URLs. So we'll just do include. All right. So when we go over to accounts, all right, I want to include account URLs. Makes sense, yeah? Okay, cool. So come over to templates and then we're going to create accounts. And we're also going to create leave. So accounts, we're going to have like base.html. We're going to have login.html. We're going to have change password as well too. We're not going to implement that now. Probably when we're building the leave functionality as well too. So change password. Um, change password. Oh, I can just do it as well too. Doesn't take anything. Change password. What else? Wait, hold on. Accounts. Let's see. Change password. Update profile. Okay. So we're going to come over here and then we're going to do update profile. Update profile.html. And also going to do account block.html. All right. So since we're done with this, let me just minimize this to big. HTML, let's just take login here, copy here. So copy everything, paste in base, right? Makes sense. So come over here and then we're just going to do block heading. And block heading. Come over to form, right? And then we're going to do block content and block content. Makes sense, eh? Taking form, just X this. So let's create for login. So let's say extends users. No, not users, sorry. I'm used to users, that is why. Accounts b.html. Block heading and block heading. Block content and block content. Paste this in here and we can just do like format document. So log into the leave mgt system. What is going on? System. Okay. What else do we need to do here? Obviously, method has to be posts, and then don't forget CSRF underscore token. So this has to be inputs. All right. The name has to be username, right? Username. So let's just remove this placeholder thingy here, and let's just take this out. So the username. This one password. So name is going to be password. So we're just going to take out this placeholder password here, and password is okay. So we're just going to remove this. Okay. So don't have an account. So now I'm going to also remove this as well too. Okay, we don't need those things. All right. So we are done with creating login. So let's just copy everything here though. And we're going to do change password as well. So we'll paste this in here. Let's do extends, or rather load widget underscore Twix. Okay, so let's try. So instead of username, I don't know what I think they call it. Hold on, I can't remember, but let me see. Let's come over here and then let's do. Okay, change your password to a new one. All right, so let's do. I can't remember exactly though. Let's do render field form dot old password. All right, so we'll just copy this, paste in here, and just clean this out, right? Come again, paste it in here. So we'll do new password one. I think so. Hold on. So old password, enter new password, and then we have to confirm the new password again. So we're just saying new password 2, confirm password. So let's cancel this actually. Okay, so we're just going to do change password. All right, so change profile. I want it to be inside of the what is it called, the app, not outside. So login, account block. The account block should be just account block should just say you have been blocked, blah blah blah. You can access the whatever. So let's just do that very quickly. Do you know what? Let's just say account block. Let's just say H1, or rather H2. You have been blocked, or rather, you can say your account has been restricted. Please contact your administrator. No, administrator for support. Account block here. And I think that is that for that one. So let me just quickly you know what? So I think when we come back, we will now look at this from the front end. But let me just run migration very quickly. All right, so big migrations. Unknown field for user. What is the unknown field? From this import views. What is your unknown name? Accounts. Let's see. So it didn't include account URLs. Okay, let's see though. Let's see what's going on. So hold on. So what exactly is the problem? Unknown fields or surname? Oh, I see. Let's come over to accounts. Come over to form. So let's call this last name, not surname actually. So run this again. Make migrations. Okay. Py migrate. Okay, so sounds good. So when we come back, we're going to look at how we are going to view everything from the front end, like HTML templates from our browser, and we're going to move from there. All right, thank you guys, and good night. I need to sleep. So when I wake up in the morning, we'll just continue from there. And bye for now.